Under the Air Passenger Bill of Rights, meron tayong dalawang instances. Kapag may force majeure, ibig sabihin, walang kasalanan si airline company when it comes to the cancellation. Kailangan lang, syempre, ino-notify nila na, okay, mga passengers, makakancel yung flight natin kasi ganito yung reason. Tapos, kapag nandun na sa airport yung passenger, tapos 24 hours or less yung cancellation, syempre, entitled siya na may refreshments, may meals, may free calls, may free internet. At saka yung kung meron siyang sakit or whatever, meron siyang access to first aid facilities.
Okay.
Tapos, kung sakali naman na kailangan niya mag-book ng hotel, ganyan. Kapag walang fault si airline carrier, hindi sagot ni airline carrier yung hotel booking. Pero, required si airline carrier na bigyan ng assistance si passenger kung sakaling mag-rebook siya, mag-hotel booking siya, or meron siyang alternative modes of transportation. And of course, it really depends na, for example, pag na-cancel ang flight, kailan ba yung next flight? Kasi minsan yung next flight mo parang okay, after 2 or 3 hours na lang. So kapag ganun ba, magre-rebook ka pa ng hotel? Di ba hindi?
Malapit lang naman eh.
Kasi malapit lang eh. At saka yung procedure kasi niyan, di ba? Pag lumabas ka ng airport, papasok ka dun sa check-in,
Ulitin mo ulit lahat ng
backdrop, immigration. So how long does it take? Minsan 2 hours, 3 hours yung inaalak natin for that.